Imagine living in a world where money is not something you worry about, but a tool you use to build empires. What if I told you that billionaires play by a completely different set of financial rules, rules that the average person never learns? These are not just tips, but hidden money secrets that allow billionaires to multiply their wealth while the rest of the world struggles to save. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss the strategies, stories, and secrets that can change how you see money forever. Secret 1. They use debt to get rich. For most people, debt is a trap. Credit card bills, student loans, car payments, it feels like chains holding you back. But billionaires see debt as a weapon. They borrow money not to spend on luxuries, but to invest in assets that generate even more money. Take real estate, for example. Instead of saving for decades to buy a building, billionaires borrow, purchase it immediately, and let tenants pay off the loan while the property grows in value. They don't fear debt, they master it. Secret 2. Assets come before lifestyle. The average person gets a paycheck, pays bills, and spends on comfort. A billionaire thinks differently. They prioritize buying assets, businesses, real estate, stocks that put money back into their pocket. Only after their assets generate consistent income do they upgrade their lifestyle. That is why many billionaires live surprisingly modest lives in their early years, delaying luxury until their wealth can pay for it automatically. It is not about looking rich. It is about becoming rich first. Secret 3. Long-term thinking wins every time. Most people plan for the next month. Billionaires plan for the next decade. They make investments that might take years, sometimes decades, to pay off. Think about Jeff Bezos with Amazon. He lost money for years, but he stayed patient because he was building the world's largest online marketplace. This patience, this ability to think long-term, is what separates the wealthy from the rest. They understand that true wealth is built slowly, but grows massively once momentum begins. These are just the first 3 secrets. In the next part, we will uncover how billionaires use networks, timing, and strategies the average person never even considers. Stay tuned for part 2 of the hidden money secrets of billionaires. Secret 4. They build powerful networks. Billionaires know something most people ignore. Money flows through people. Instead of focusing only on money, they focus on building relationships with other entrepreneurs, investors, politicians, and industry leaders. A single conversation, a single partnership can open doors worth millions or even billions. While most people see networking as small talk at parties, billionaires treat it as their most valuable currency. They build networks of influence that multiply opportunities. Secret 5. They diversify their income streams. For the average worker, there is only one source of income: a job. If the job disappears, the income disappears. Billionaires never rely on one stream of money. They build multiple flows: investments, companies, real estate, stocks, and royalties. This way, even if one business fails, the other income streams keep them growing. It is like a river splitting into many branches. When one dries up, the others keep flowing. Secret 6. They master the power of timing. Investing is not only about what you buy, but when you buy it. Billionaires wait for the right moment to strike. They are patient, but decisive. During financial crises, when everyone else is panicking, billionaires see opportunity. They buy assets at a discount, knowing the world will recover, and their investments will multiply. Warren Buffett once said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." This simple principle has made billions. Secret 7. They treat money like a game. For most people, money is about survival. For billionaires, it is a scoreboard. They see money as a tool, not as an emotional weight. When they lose, they learn. When they win, they push further. This mindset keeps them creative and fearless, while others stay stuck in fear of loss. By treating money like a game, billionaires never stop playing and never stop winning. We are now deep into the hidden rules of wealth. But the last 3 secrets are the most powerful of all. In the final part, we will uncover how billionaires protect their wealth, how they think about risk, and the one principle that may be the ultimate billionaire secret. Stay tuned for part 3 of the hidden money secrets of billionaires. Secret 8. They protect their wealth like fortresses. Making money is one thing. Keeping it is another. Billionaires are masters at protecting wealth through trusts, holding companies, and tax strategies. They hire the best lawyers and accountants not just to manage money, but to shield it from unnecessary losses. While most people focus only on making money, billionaires make sure every dollar is defended and multiplied. It is not about greed, it is about survival at the highest level. Secret 9. They take calculated risks. Billionaires do not gamble blindly. They take risks, but every risk is measured. They study markets, trends, and opportunities, then place bold bets where the odds are in their favor. Elon Musk risked nearly his entire fortune on SpaceX and Tesla, but his risk was backed by research, vision, and relentless execution. This balance between boldness and calculation is what creates extraordinary wealth. Secret 10. They never stop learning. The final secret is perhaps the most important. Billionaires read constantly, study new industries, and learn from mentors and competitors. They know that knowledge compounds just like money. Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, Mark Cuban all credit their success to endless learning. In a world that changes so quickly, those who stop learning are left behind. Billionaires know this, and they never stop feeding their minds. Conclusion. These are the hidden money secrets of billionaires. They use debt as a tool, build powerful networks, think long-term, diversify their income, and protect their fortunes with precision. But above all, they see money differently. To them, it is not just survival. It is a game, a tool, and a lifelong journey of learning. Now here is the real question. Which of these secrets can you apply in your own life today? Because while not everyone can become a billionaire, anyone can learn to think like one. If you found this eye-opening, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more stories, strategies, and secrets that can change the way you see money and success. And let us know in the comments, which billionaire secret do you think is the most powerful?